On Jamaican Cooking 101 Food Facts, today we feature Callaloo. Callaloo is a leafy spinach-like vegetable originating in West Africa. It is easy to grow and can be cultivated in small pots or large fields. Callaloo first turned up in Jamaican records as early as 1696. It is typically prepared as one would prepare collard greens or spinach. One callaloo plant can be harvested several times by just cutting off new leaves or by cutting from the stem. Jamaicans use callaloo in soups such as pepper pot soup, in rice dishes, as a stuffing, and in green juices. Callaloo is very nutritious. It is rich in iron, and so it can be used along with vitamin C to treat and prevent anemia. Thank you for watching Jamaican Cooking 101 Food Facts.